Do you think birds know when it's going to snow? I do. The seeds we left out were almost gone. New snow would soon bury the rest. We'd been waiting for a really big snow, saving good stuff in a sack, and finally it was a perfect snowball day. We rolled 3 snowballs and made a snow dad. Added a snow mom. And a cool snow boy. Made a snow girl. And a round snow baby. Built our cat, and at the end of the day, made our dog Spot. I guess you know what happened when the sun came out. Snow Dad's shrinking. Mom is mush, boy's a blob, girl is slush, baby's melting, cat's getting small, and dog is a puddle. So long, Snowball.
Birch trees and winter birds. Material required: computer colored paper for background, sketchbook paper, white paper for trees, watercolor paints, black and white, oil pastel, black poster paint mixed with some water, scissors and glue. With the use of scale, draw 2 columns of equal size and cut them for tree trunks. After cutting, we will be left with a small rectangular piece of paper. Do not throw. We will going to use this to draw patterns on the tree trunks. Like this by dipping it in a black poster paint mixed with water. After the paint dries, stick them on the colored paper. Third step is to prepare texture paper for the winter bird. Draw patterns with white oil pastel and color with watercolor paints over it, like this. Bird. Fourth step is the bird. Cut the bird from the template, trace it on the texture paper and cut. Now it's time to paste the winter bird with birch trees. Draw an eye and some feathers with color pencil. And the last step is to add snow in the background with white oil pastels.